Step 1. Get your OpenRouter API key to interact with the DeepSeek API. You'll first need an API key from OpenRouter, which is a platform that provides an OpenAI-compatible API endpoint. Here's how you can get it. Visit the OpenRouter website at https://www.openrouter.ai. Sign up or log in to your OpenRouter account. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of the dashboard. Click on the Create Key button. This will generate a unique API key that you'll need to authenticate your requests. Copy the API key and save it in a secure location, as you'll need it for all future API requests. Step 2. Install required libraries. To interact with the API in Python, you'll need the requests library, which simplifies sending HTTP requests. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily do so by running the following command in your terminal: pip install requests. This will install the requests library, which is necessary for making API calls in Python. You can also install additional libraries later if your project requires them. Using DeepSeek API in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is an excellent choice for Python development due to its rich features and extensions. Here's how to set up your environment in VS Code to use the DeepSeek API. Step 1. Install VS Code and Python. If you haven't already, you'll need to download and install both VS Code and Python. Download VS Code from here. Install Python from python.org. Step 2. Install the Python extension in VS Code. Once you have VS Code installed, open it and follow these steps. Press Ctrl+Shift+X to open the extensions marketplace. In the search bar, type Python and install the official Python extension from Microsoft. This extension will make coding with Python much easier, providing features like syntax highlighting, code linting, and IntelliSense. Step 3. Create and run your Python script. Open the folder where you want to save your Python script in VS Code. Create a new file and name it DeepSeek.py. Copy and paste the Python code from Step 2. Open the terminal in VS Code. Press Ctrl+tilde and run the script by typing Python DeepSeek.py. You should see the response from DeepSeek in the VS Code terminal.